Let's talk about the EURUSD. The trend remains upwards for now, but obviously the risk-reward ratio for buying at these levels is very different to the setup we talked about before the price rose higher with about 270 pip or so. Alright, so this is the EURUSD, and as you might remember, we're stuck within a rectangle pattern. And I've been saying that if we were taking out these levels, we could probably go higher. And we did indeed trade upwards. We had a very nice push to the upside. And we pretty much reached that target based on that rectangle pattern. So the way it works, we would measure the difference between the low point and the high point of the pattern. And then we would just project that on the breakup point. So the breakup point here happened on the 24th or so. And then we pushed upwards and went all the way up. Now, if you look at this today, we definitely moved up a bit quickly. I mean, we're not quickly, and we definitely need a bit of a correction, right? Now, I'm not trading this pattern, specific pattern right now, because the risk-reward ratio is not good for me. I like to trade on breakouts like this one, like that. But in the very short term, the trend does remain bullish. And as long as you trade above 120.30, I think we can go upwards. In fact, this is a scenario I did already yesterday, and we did go down to the buy spot, and then we went upwards and reached the first take profit levels, and now we're coming back down again. So I think if we do go down again, I think people will be buying. I don't think it's the time to be selling. I think if you want to, buy dollars, you need to find a pair where the dollar is at least in some sort of a bullish trend, if possible, not going to the one that is sort of in deep downtrend for the dollar. Let's take a look at the dollar index, and I'll show you how that looks like. And while we almost pretty much reached the take profit in the EURUSD, the dollar index, we have a descending triangle. Now, if we measure the difference between the November high and then you have the November 6th low, that is about 2.33%. And you can see that we've reached that level. And again, the best and optimal entry was to sell around these levels and for this to come down. As you can see now, we are clearly haven't reached a target, but we're definitely a bit oversold, where we can easily have a correction, up to 91.54 and maybe all the way up to 91.95, even though I doubt it. But we could easily have a strong correction and then for this to go lower. And that's what I would be betting on. We don't always have to have a position on. That's really important to remember. Many times it's good just to wait for you. We trade it, you book your profit, and then you wait for the market to come back and reach your levels. So that's our quick update on the EURUSD and the dollar index. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. Follow me on Twitter on AlexFX00 so you don't miss out on any content that I publish. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.